strengthening for regeneration. This strengthening should be listened to daily as regeneration takes time. Undoubtedly, consistency and discipline will assure you a pleasant experience. While you listen to it, think about what you want to regenerate. It can be cells, tissues, organs, systems, or some part of your structure. First, we're going to strengthen the midline to accept, acknowledge, and recognize all the energetic orders that we're going to give. We're going to remove all resistance to improving, to believing, to continuing. We're going to eliminate all the misinformation, perception, and interpretation coming from culture, religion, education, experts, ancestors, the collective, family, and yourself, that it's not possible to regenerate, or if it is, at least not for you. We get rid of everything that comes from you and outside of you, that extraordinary things don't happen to you, that miracles don't occur in you, or that you're not a fortunate person. We erase completely what comes from your mind and the minds of others with its cumulative effect at 0 minus infinity, 100% of the time indefinitely. We erase all victim-like, defeatist, hopeless, disbelieving and self-pitying thoughts. We erase the accumulated effect of emotions, sensations and reactions that were stagnant or embedded in that part you want to regenerate. We eliminate worry, fear, distress, anxiety, and despair about what you want to regenerate. We're going to make you strong and neutral to regenerate, not to regenerate, to be quick, not quick, slow, not slow, and strong against all options, 100% with infinite potential, 100% of the time, indefinitely. We're going to increase strength, endurance, speed, agility, flexibility, and coordination in that area you want to regenerate. We're also going to remove from that area energetic garbage, energy larvae, and entities of any dimension, level, or form that are preventing, limiting, delaying, hindering, or blocking you from being in neutrality. We fill that entire area that you thought of with energy of neutrality and remove all the negative energy from you and below you, above you, from the right, from the left, from within, from outside, from behind, and in front of you to 0 minus infinity, 100% of the time with infinite time. We detoxify that area of viruses, bacteria, fungi, parasites, plant waste, parasite waste, dead cells, half-living, half-dead cells, degenerated cells, and diseased cells. We also remove heavy metals, toxins, and traces of medicines, as well as memories of physical trauma and physical limitations in that area. We erase all of this with its cumulative effect and send it to the lymphatic system, channels, ducts, fluids, centers, and lymph nodes. We're going to eliminate direct, indirect, and partially indirect curses that made you experience that harm, the one you caused, the one you received, the one you witnessed, and the one you ordered. We're going to delete memories of illnesses related to that part of yours and not yours. We eliminate remains, vestiges, traces, remnants, and impressions of everything we've just extinguished, and we send it to other universes, entities, dimensions, time, space, dark matter, and energy, black holes and wormholes of the universe and other unknown places. We're going to increase the regeneration in that area as a quantum particle, as atoms, as a molecule, and as a cell. We're also going to remove it as a tissue, as an organ, as a system, and as a structure. In the same way we diminish degeneration in the area. Strong for all of this 100% with infinite potential 100% of the time with infinite time. We will increase the energy of the area to be strong, to travel above the speed of light, below the speed of light, and at the same speed of light to heal and to regenerate. We will increase blood flow to an optimal level. Let's strengthen, repair, tighten, and loosen the peripheral nerves. Let's strengthen the regeneration of damaged nerve tissue and decrease degeneration. At 0 minus infinity, 100% of the time with infinite time. We will strengthen the glucose so that it is at optimal levels. Let's strengthen the production of new cells and the formation of bone if necessary. Strong for that 100% with infinite potential, 100% of the time with infinite time. Let's strengthen cell proliferation. Strong stem or progenitor cells present in damaged tissues to activate and begin dividing to produce new cells. Let's also strengthen cell differentiation during proliferation. Let's strengthen the specialized cells to form the specific tissue or organ. Strong to target a specific destination and adopt specialized features and functions. Let's strengthen cell migration to travel to the right place to replace damaged or dead cells, correctly integrating into the tissue and organ. Let's strengthen the adhesion and reconstruction of the tissue to stick to the extracellular matrix and start rebuilding that tissue. We're going to increase the organization of the cells to connect with each other and form the proper structure and function of the tissue or organ. Let's strengthen this increase totally, completely, and permanently to 100% with infinite potential, 100% of the time with infinite time. We're going to make you strong so it regenerates, doesn't regenerate, so it degenerates and doesn't degenerate. To be aware, not to be aware, to be the same, not the same, different, not different, change, not change, perception, non-perception. We strengthen this octagon and send it to other universes, existences, dimensions, time, space, dark matter and dark energy, black and wormholes in the universe and other unknown places. Strong for all things positive, not positive. Strong to be without mind, spiritless and empty. Strong to gain weight, not gain weight, lose weight, not lose weight. To like other people, not like other people, to like you, not like you. We're going to strengthen the internal dynamics, the external dynamics, the internal limits, the outer limits, the vertices and their interactions. We strengthen them 100%, infinite co-potential, 100% of the time, with infinite time. We are going to erase everything that prevents, limits, delays, hinders, or blocks you from being able to regenerate what you require. We're also going to remove remains, traces, impressions, remnants of everything we erase here and take it to other universes, existences, dimensions, time and space, dark matter, energy, black holes and wormholes in the universe, and other unknown places. Whatever was erased in infinite 100% of the time at 0 minus infinity. Powerful for rebooting, recalibrating, reprogramming, and readjusting your body, mind, and spirit. All right, tell me, how do you feel, the same or different?